Okay, good evening, everyone. Few of you have already called me also. First, check whether you can hear me clearly. Check. If you can hear me clearly, then hit thumbs up. Right, okay. Seems like that you can hear me clearly. Right, okay. So, I so you can see from my cloth also. So I directly came from temple of truth relic, which is Sri Dalada Maligaon, because I was assigned for duty of survey, counting survey from Institute of Engineers Sri Lanka Kandurata chapter. Okay, so I was assigned. That was the reason I got delayed. But I few of you have already called that they were thinking whether today class is not there or something like that, and I think unfortunately, thank you. I think unfortunately, few not joined the class also. So I apologize from them when they are looking at the recording. I will send them recording. So they are thinking that class is not today, but that's not like that. So I was assigned for the survey, which was done by Institute of Engineers Sri Lanka Kandurata chapter. So previously, if you, I know that many of you are away from Kandy area. So my hometown is Kandy, and I have studied in Dharmaraja College Kandy also. So I was pretty much close to Temple of Truth Relic, Sri Dalada Maligaon, just 2-3 kilometers away from my childhood. Okay, so every day when I am going to my school, so it just passing Sri Dalada Maligaon. So this time, if you heard the news for the first time, that there were false news going on, that each day when this exhibition was started, each day around 150 people are watching, devotees are coming and going from Sri Dalada Maligaon, but that was wrong, not 150. So we from Institute of Engineers Sri Lanka Kandurata chapter, we told that no, that was not accurate. If 150,000 people are 150,000 devotees are coming and going from Sri Dalada Maligaon, then why this 200,000 people are on queues? Okay, so that was the argument going with those authorities, police and Sri Dalada Maligaon committee. So we showed that those figures are not correct, and so we have done a comprehensive survey. Each day we are doing that. We are measuring the queue length from chain edges. Every 100 meters we are measuring how many people are there within some length. Okay, so like that way, very accurate measurement we are getting. So we can tell, right, this much of people in the queue. So there are 3 entrances, so this much of people are in the queue. Likewise, we are calculating, and similarly we are counting the number of people coming out from Sri Dalada Maligaon also. So there were AI cameras also, and from the AI camera we are counting. Not only that, we are taking footages also, then we are getting a video, then we are counting manually also. Okay, so that much of comprehensive survey was done. Then we got that around 60,000 people are coming, and devotees are coming and doing their sacred thing. So those figures inaccurate for the first time. That was the reason. Now you know that we are telling that don't come to Kandy city. So likewise we are telling that, then that our survey made people more easy. Okay, so the number of toilets, number of water, and the facilities, all the things, toilets, everything. Okay, so each and everything was calculated according to our survey. So as an engineer, I am proud that I was taken part in that survey. So tomorrow morning also I have been assigned inside of Sri Dalda Maligawa to calculate, to count the number of devotees coming out from watching and coming out. So that is a very hard thing, that is a very critical thing. So we need to stay there, and we need to be calm and watch about that, and we need to count about that. So I will share a video in that Telegram group, so about that survey. So media, those Derana, Sirasa, and all the media came, and Chatur, Alice, and all the people, and they are getting voice cuts and all from that. Okay, so that was how engineers solve problems which are ongoing or coming to people. Okay, so engineers are there to make people's life more easy, right? So keep in your mind that, because you are going to become an engineer if you are wishing to become an engineer. Okay, so when you when you are when you have become an engineer, then you will realize how much you can do for the sake of people. Okay, so I'm proud about that. And not only that, today when we are coming from temple, so all the way I was very busy, because I have been receiving a lot of calls from my students, because just now the A levels results are already in the internet. Okay, so the students from Gampaha area, from Kandy area, they are calling me and telling their results. Just before starting your class also, there was a student and telling me about their results. So they got A's, and they some have selected to engineering faculties, and I'm very happy. Okay, even though I'm tired, you may look I'm tired also, because there was a huge rain going in Kandy, so we are all covered from rain also, and they are very untidy shirt I am wearing, and my face also looks tired, but my mind is like bliss. Why? Because I'm very happy that a lot of students got very good passes. So some got A's, some got B's. Even still, I haven't heard a student got F pass. Okay, so I haven't heard. Maybe they are not telling me, but the results that I heard, very good, and I'm very happy that they have some of them have selected to engineering faculty, and some of them have selected to science faculties, and so on. Okay, so some students, they called me and told that the least results got students, they called me and told that, sir, my target was to achieve not an A, but just to pass. I asked why. So I'm hoping to do a degree in private university. So my target was to pass the exam. So thank you very much, sir. You have helped us, and I have passed A level. So I was happy. I was happy that some students selected to engineering faculty. Selected means we can tell that they can be selected into engineering faculty depending on their ICET scores and results. And there there was one student in Gampaha area. So that was a very crucial time during COVID period also. But during that time, I was going there, and sometimes there were not much of students. Sometimes only one student was there. So that student got an A pass. Okay, so I'm very happy. I personally, I'm very happy today because my effort was not wasted. Okay, so that is what I'm expecting from you in 2027. When you do your exam in 2027 A levels, your results will come like this 2028 April. Okay, even though you have just done your O levels and you finished your O levels and you are very happy, I also gave you a holiday to enjoy more, but now you have a target. Okay, so you have a target. You need to now change your mindset and enter into advanced level mindset. Okay, there are students who has joined from first day, from the introduction day they have joined with our class. Okay, so I'm talking to you, those who have joined from first day, you are good. Okay, don't miss a class in future. And the other students who has joined recently and after introduction day or whatever, just put me a message, sir, I need a recording of previous classes, sir, please give me recording. Definitely I will give you. Okay, so that is what a student in advanced level must have a mindset. Okay, so you need to get the best results in 2027 A levels, and you need to be proud in 2028 April, like in this time. Okay, so you can see that how my face, okay, how my mind makes my smile. Okay, so the same way I know my students also are smiling, their parents, their brothers, their sisters, all are very happy because they got thank you. Hi, thank you. So they are very happy, their parents and their brothers and their siblings. Okay, so you know my, so I just came, so I'm just going to have a tea also, it doesn't matter. So they are very happy in their homes. Their parents call me, sir, we are very happy because our student has our child has got past A levels, and so thank you very much. There are no words to express their happiness. Okay, so make your parents happy like that. Okay, I know you, those who have joined from this early stage, early in the time period, are getting good results in A levels because you just joined A levels after completing your O levels, so you will be getting good results. So no doubt about that. So make your parents proud, like from O levels and in A levels. Okay, you will be getting a good result for your O levels. Just wait few months and look at the results. But don't overjoy or don't over happy about your O level results, because that is not the exam. Exact exam is your A levels. Okay, that is the door where you are going to select your life, where you are going to stay in your life as an engineer or as an whatever the position you are going to get. So you need to be very keen, you need to be very patiently achieve your target. Okay, so you know your mom, your father, your mother, they are expecting you. Okay, they are expecting you that they are friends, your parents friends, they are waiting, and they are waiting when the A levels results are released in 2028. They are asking, oh, our let's say our Saman's daughter has done A levels, no, he that she let's ask what she got the result. Likewise they are asking from your parents. Okay, so don't make them suffer. Okay, don't make them sad, right? So personally myself, I was very happy because all the results that I heard today, they have passed and they have got best results. Okay, so that is the happiness for a teacher to get. Okay, and I think that you also need to be do your things like that, right? So let's so today is our day 3 that we are going to start. Take out your tutes also. So if you have not received the tute, so just send me a message. You all have contact number, I will write again. Okay, most of the time I am going to answer for it. If I am unable to answer, our call center people will answer that. Okay, so this is my number. So if you have any problem, okay, if you have any problem about the class, or if you have any anything, if you have not received the tute, or if you don't have any recordings, so just send a message to this number and you will be receiving all the, they will be solving, they means I, okay, I will be solving your problems. So that is what we are going to do. Okay, now, so if you have missed any class, just send us a message, then you will get missed classes, then you can watch them very carefully, then you will not miss anything. Okay, and if you don't understand anything, just send a message to that. Okay, so we will be solving your problems, right? Okay, so take out your tute, and if you don't have the tute, don't panic now. I will help you. So but make sure next day you need to keep your tutes with you when we are doing the class, right? So I as I remember, so we are doing our class after 2 weeks, no? Okay, right. So so we will slowly get back into the work now. Right, look at this page number 3 in the tute. Okay, so last time I have done that difference of two squares and difference and addition of two cubes and expansions. So a lot of things we have done. So today we are going to do some of the things in the tute. So from another one day we are going to completely finish this simplifications part, then we are going to start the combined math syllabus. Okay, right. So we will do this question number 16, number 1. Okay, check whether we have done that in the last class. Question number 16, number 1. I think we haven't completed that question, no? Page number 3, question number 16, sub question number 1. Okay, right. So we will do that. Find the factors of each expressions below. Okay, so if we have completed, then just put a chat message there. So we have completed that. I think that we haven't done that. I think I gave you as a homework that. Okay, I gave you as a homework. Okay, right. So we will do that. Now what is that? Find the factors of each expressions below. Okay, so right, I will write the question. Find the factors of each expression below. Right, question number 16. Right, question number 16, number 1. Okay, what is that? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared minus c squared. Okay, so what you need to do? You need to find the factors of each expression below. Right, now how to find factors of that question? How to find factors of it? How to find factors? So we need to apply the things that we have learned in the last class. Okay, so I can write this as a plus b squared, isn't it? Why? Because why we can write like that? Because a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is the expansion of a plus b complete square. Okay, right? Look, I will tell again. A squared plus b squared plus 2ab is the expansion of a plus b squared. There are students who has just joined today, no? So don't think, ayyo, is this A levels? Ayyo, we know A levels. Don't be like that. Huh? That is a silly thinking. Don't think like that. This is just the start only. Okay, I told you that we are learning from each point of view. Okay, we are not going to do easy things and skip hard things, or we are not going to skip easy things and do hard things. Those are not the correct methods. We gradually learn from each and every part. We are starting from basics and we are going up. Okay, so don't have those silly mindset. So that is why I have told you that. So now what? Now this is difference of two squares. Okay, what is this? This is difference of two squares you can apply. So you can write C, a plus b minus c, and for the people those who have joined today, so if you think anything difficult, that is because you came today. Okay, so what you need to do, just send me a message, sir, I think today's class is bit difficult for me, so what can I do? Then I will send you the goddamn recordings. Okay, then you can have a look, you can be patiently sit and you can have a look, and you can work by your own. Then you will do all the things, then you will remember all the things, then you will understand these things. Okay, so you came to the combined maths class and my duty is to teach you combined maths class. Okay, so right, so this is a plus b minus c and a plus b plus c. Why is that? So this is the factor. So what we have used here, these are the things that we have used here. We have used the expansion. See, a plus b squared, a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Okay, then what? Difference of two squares, x minus y, x plus y. Okay, so you can put this in a box if you feel this bit difficult. Okay, right, take that down and you can do question number 2 by yourself. Try question number 2 also. Okay, in the tute, try question number 2. Those who don't have tutes, I will write the question here, but in future I will be not writing like that. Okay, so you need to get your tutes, so you need to pay your class fees, then you need to send your correct address, postal address, then we will courier the tute. Okay, so keep your tute when you are joining the class, but today I will help you. I will write the question here. Okay, right, question number 2, x squared minus c squared minus 2cd minus d squared. Okay, find the factors of that. Okay, find the factors. So you are going to become engineers, huh? So you need to have a very good gut. Okay, in your mindset you need to be strong. Okay, so that discipline comes from learning, from these solving problems. Okay, so when you become an engineer, when you are in a site, there are a lot of problems you are facing. Sometimes raining, sometimes you have just put the concrete but rain is coming there, then what you need to do, you need to cover these things. Okay, sometimes there will be labor problems, they are fighting. Okay, so you need to, so not only engineering you can apply. You need to look at the human resource problems also. Okay, so that discipline, that learning comes from this problem solving and learning these things patiently. Okay, so the engineer, that has to be a complete person. Okay, he or she has to be very vigilant when there is a problem. Okay, so when there are no problems also, they has to be vigilant. Why? In future there can be problems come. Okay, so that is the gut that you need to have. Okay, so later I will share my experiences with you. Okay, so what we need to do here, you can see this part. Okay, look at this part. This part is also same, no? This is also same like previous. So x squared, you can write this, you can get minus out, then you will see a lot of things here. 2cd plus d squared, right? So this is what, this is again the expansion, no? This expansion, so c plus d squared, no? Okay, so you can write, I will write here, so you can write that x minus c plus d. Okay, x minus c plus d, then x plus c plus d. You can write like that. Okay, in the last answer you need to mark, you need to draw two lines mentioning that this is your final answer. Okay, right, then try question number 3 also. Okay, try question number 3. So you are with the best combined maths class, huh? Okay, right, so this is 9y squared minus 16c squared minus 16cd minus 4d squared. Okay, try to get the answer of that. Those who completed that, you can proceed for question number 4 also. These are not difficult questions. Okay, shall we have a look? Right, this one, see that 9y squared. So here you can take what out? You can take 4 out, no? Minus 4. Okay, when you take minus 4 out, see that C 4c squared minus 4cd plus, no, not minus, no, 4cd, then plus d squared. Okay, now if you see this is this breaking, no, 9y squared. Okay, 9y squared minus 4 times this is 2c plus d. If you saw that, see, square root of 2c, you multiply this 2 and you need to multiply by 2, then square root of last. Right, now see that 3y complete square, okay, minus 2 times 2c plus d squared. See again what? Again difference of two squares. Right, now you can write this 3y minus 2 times 2c plus d. Even these bracket types also I told in the beginning. Okay, so if you missed that, please look at those recordings. Okay, right, then 3y plus 2 times 2c plus d. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, all right, then I will do question number 4 also. I will write it here. Question number 4. Hundred and 121 minus 25 times a squared minus 10ab minus b squared. Okay, try to get answers. When you are in the class, don't look here and there. Don't think this is an online class, I can behave as I want. Don't think like that. Okay, if you are thinking like that, then this class is not suitable for you. Okay, when you are in the online class, you need to be careful in the class. You would not do any other thing than doing in the class. Okay, so if you are in the class, you need to pay your attention to the class only. You cannot think what your mother is cooking there. Okay, you cannot have a chat in Facebook friend or WhatsApp. You cannot look at WhatsApp status. Okay, those things are not authorized, illegal. Okay, so if you are in the online class, you need to do the work things I assign for you. Okay, I'll be not assigning you to look at WhatsApp status or put a WhatsApp status, I'm hungry. Likewise, you are doing like that. No, those things are not allowed. So during the class time, you need to strictly adhere to the things I say. Okay, so you need to completely think about the things that I tell you, the things that I teach you. Okay, so those That discipline is a must. Okay, right. So what is this? This is, we know that 121 is 11 squared, no? 121 is square root of 11. Then this you can write, see if I write this directly, 5a plus b, sorry, isn't it? Square root of 5a, because that one of the fly has gone inside to my mouth. That was what happened. When you when you keep your mouth open, they will suddenly go inside to your mouth, no? Okay, right. Anyway, so this is 25a squared means square root of 5a. Then you multiply these two, then double, then square this last term, right? So this very easy. So 11 minus 5a plus b. Imagine when some fly gone inside your throat. Good feeling, no? 11 plus 5a plus b. Right. So that is the answer. Okay. What to do? Little bit of protein maybe. Okay. Then we will go into another one. Those who not done that correctly, you can write that. If you made any mistake, you can write that. Okay, we will do another one. Question number 22. Right. Then write a small topic there also. Write a topic. Solving simple equations. Solving simple equations. Okay, some students messaged me. So my parents are pushing me to do biology. So I am going to do biology. I told, okay, Puta, it's okay. It's up to you to decide what you are going to be. But this first part that I am going to teach under these simplifications, those things are important. Even though you are doing biology, you can look at these things. Then that will help you for physics and solving chemistry and those things. Okay, right. So this is a very easy thing that you are going to do. You know these things already, but we will just check whether you will refresh your mind, not having a sprite or anything, but you will refresh your mind. Okay, right. Very easy part, solving simple equations. This is a very easy part. Some of you will smile when I do this, but even it is easy, I will do. Okay, I am not going to skip anything. Right. Even easy things I am not going to skip. Even hard things also I am not going to skip. All the things you are going to do. Right. See, you will smile when I write this. See. So what is that? So you need to find value. You need to find value of what? Value of x. So very easy, no? So I am not going to teach this one. Okay, just get the answer. So what we will do, you will get these 2x into this side, 25, 5x equals to 25. then x equals to 5. Very easy problem. Okay, right. Now what about question number 2? Question number 2, can you try that? X over 4 plus 6. Can you do that? Try that one. That is also easy for you, no? Okay, you can multiply by 4 also, or you can take this to your right hand side. Both methods are correct. Now you can take the common denominator 4x minus x, that means 3x, no, equals to 6. See, you can cut 3 times 2, then you can cross multiply. X equals to 2 into 4. The answer is 8. So x equals to 8. Right. Can you try this question number 3 in the tute? Question number 3, y over 2 minus 3 y over 4 plus y over 5. Can you do by your own? Do that question by your own. Y over 2 minus 3 equals to y over 4 plus y over 5. That is question number 3. Okay, try that. Okay, right. What about that? This is easy if you multiply by what? Multiply by 10? No. 20? You can multiply by 20. Then these fractions will go away. Okay, so multiplying by 20, then see 20 times y over 2, 3 into 20. So I will write more steps, y over 4, but you don't need to write these steps. If you can easily get, you don't need to write. I just wrote it. Okay, right. Now you can cut this 2 times 10, 4 times 5, 5 times 4. Right. So what will be the answer here? 10y, okay, minus 60, then 5y plus 4y, then 9y you can take into this side. So 10y minus 9y equals to 60. Then y equals to 60. So your answer is 60. Those who got answer as 60, can you put a thumbs up or can you raise your hand? Okay. Right. Good. That is a symbol of doing simplifications carefully. Okay. Good. There are few students. So you need to be patiently simplify when you are simplifying. Okay. So when you write each step, you need to write each step clearly. Okay. So when you write the first step, write it clearly. Then you go into next step, write it clearly. Then you go into next step, write it clearly. Then you will be not doing those mistakes. Okay. Mistakes are happening. When you write it clearly, also mistakes can be happen. But when you write it clearly, it will reduce the chance of getting a mistake. Okay. So that is also important. Okay. So we will now go into next one. We will not do question number 5, 6. We will not do. But question 7. Can you try question 7? Okay. Try question 7. Okay. For newcomers, I will write it here. Those who not got the tute, I will write it here. Curly bracket. A levels is not a difficult thing, huh? Easy thing. But you need to play the game strategically. Okay. And carefully. Those who have played computer games, it's good, but not good if you do those things now. Previously okay, now not okay. Why? Because now you need to think about these things. Okay. A levels is a game, so you need to play it carefully. Then you will win the game. Okay. Otherwise, game over. Okay, try to do that. Question number 7. So I have played that game nicely. Yeah? That is why I became an engineer. If I played the game in a silly manner, then today I cannot tell that. I cannot tell, no. How can I tell that I am an engineer? I cannot tell that. Okay, so during that A levels time period, I have reached into my target. Okay, and now I am proudly telling that I am an engineer. Okay, so one day you also can become that, but that one day will not come from good. You need to focus, you need to get into that one day. Okay, good things are not happening luckily. Okay, right. So here you can see several bracket types. Okay, you can see several bracket types here. See, curly bracket, circular bracket, square bracket. Okay, lot of bracket types are there. So I gave you an order also how to remove brackets. So first you can remove this circular bracket. Okay, then you can remove this curly bracket, then you can remove this square bracket. Okay, so if you don't remember the order, still you can do, but you need to keep like areas these things. Okay, then from minus, this is another area, this is another area. So bracket means it is, this is another area, from minus mark this is another area. So if you don't remember the order of removing brackets, still fine, but you need to be carefully do the simplifying steps. Okay, so what we will do, first I will keep this 15 here and keep this curly bracket here, but remove this circular bracket. Okay, 2x plus 10, circular bracket, square bracket, minus 5x minus 20 equals to 0. Okay, then what? Then 2 times 15 minus 2. So what is this? 10 minus x, no? So I have simplified. So you don't need to write all of these steps. So I am writing these steps to make you easy. Okay, right. So 2 times 15. Now I am going to remove this curly bracket. So minus 20 plus 2x, 5x minus 20. Okay, then now I can simplify. See that 2 times 2x minus 5. So I will put this 2x front and minus there, then 5x minus 20 equals to 0. Then I will write it 4x minus 10 minus 5x minus 20 equals to 0. Then what? Minus 30. See, minus x equals to 0. Now you can put this x into other side. Then 30 equals to x. That is the answer. Okay. Those who got answer as minus 30, can I see your faces? Faces means just raise your hand. Don't video no anything. Okay. Okay, good. There are several students. Nice, huh? Okay. Right. Then now we will go into question 8 also. Try question 8. I will write it here. Today I will be writing, but next day I will be not writing like that. Okay. So question number 8. 3x minus 13 over 7 plus 11 minus 4x over 3 equals to 0. Right. Can you try that? Try that. So I told you that you need to keep a blue pen. or black pen with you for writing, and you need to keep a red pen with you. Why? To put correct and wrong marks? No, 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 no. Why? When you made a mistake, you can mark from red pen the place where you made the mistake. Then you can write the correct answer by your red pen. Okay? So then once you write the correct answer from your red pen, later in future, if you look at that, then you have the correct answer. Okay? So don't just skip. Don't do like that. When you make a mistake, correct it. Okay. Try that, try that. Not a difficult thing. If you feel very easy, then try to do the question within short time. Sometimes you will feel like that, no, very easy. Oh, this question is very easy. Then try to do it quickly. Okay, but correctly. Okay, right. So we can multiply this by what? By 21. Okay, so if you multiply by 21, then this will become 3 times 3x minus 13. Then 7 times 11 minus 4x equals to 0. Then multiply this. Those who has not done that, can you write it? Can you do that? Okay, not a difficult one, right? So you can multiply 9x minus 39 plus 77 minus 28x equals to 0. Then what is this? 17, no? Isn't it? No, not 17, 19, no? 19. Okay, 19x minus 19x, then here what is it? The 40, that is 38, no? 38 plus 38 equals to 0. Then 19x equals to 38, x equals to 2. Who got it? Who got it? Who got it? X equals to 2? Okay, right. Okay, that is kind of similar to the previous question. Not a difficult one. Okay, then shall we do question number 10? Can you try question number 10? Different question, but try that question number 10. Try question number 10. Question 10, I will write it. Okay, this is the question number 10. X times 2x plus 1 over 14 minus x plus 2 x minus 4, there is a mixed fraction, 1 1.5. Okay, can you try that? Don't ever miss a class, huh? That is the worst thing you can do for you. When you miss a class, then your mindset, advanced level mindset will go down. Advanced, the meaning is advanced. No, advanced means something is high. Okay, so missing a class means not advanced, that is ordinary. So you have completed your ordinary level now. Now you are in advanced level. Ordinary level, low level, low level. Ordinary level now already completed. Now you are in advanced level. Advanced level means you need to behave advanced. So advanced means what? Okay, you walk like advanced person, is that? No. You need to behave like advanced level student, okay? Don't ever miss a class. Okay, so missing a class is the starting point of your end of your life. Okay, missing a class in advanced level is the starting point of your life's end. Okay, so if you don't understand, then just forget that. That means don't miss a class. If you miss a class, then next day you are coming to the class like a tourist. Who are tourists? They don't know about the place, no. They just come here and watch and go. Okay, so don't be like a tourist. So when you miss a class, you need to tell me, so I can come for today's class. There are students who already told me, so I cannot come for today's class, please allow me, but next day I will come, and before the class I will do the record. I will go through the recording and I will come. Then okay. But suddenly missing a class, that means you are not advanced. Okay, so don't miss a class. Come to the class every day. So when you miss a class for unavoidable reason, you need to look at the recording. Okay, so don't be tourists. Okay, so what we can do here, this is somewhat different question. So you can get the common denominator here. Okay, or you can multiply by 14 also. So if you multiply by 14, then we will write it 14, then x times 2x plus 1, then 2 times x plus 2 x minus 4. Then here, what is this? This is a mixed fraction, no? So 3 over 2. Then 3 over 2 into 14. Then you can cut, no? 7. So the answer is 3 into 7. Then you can write it, you can remove the brackets. 2x squared plus x. Here you can keep minus 2 here. Then x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equals to 21. Then what? 2x squared plus x. See, minus 2x squared. Here, minus 2x plus 4x. Minus 2x into minus 2 plus 4x. Then, plus 16 equals to, sorry, see, it will cancel out. Then you will see the answer, x plus 4x, 5x. 5x equals to 21 minus 16, that is 5. Then x equals to 1. Okay, right. Tell me if you got x equals to 1. No one got it? Okay, some have made mistakes. Okay, write it clearly. So you need to write all the things clearly, yeah, like this way. In the book also, it has to be very representing your answer clearly. Those people who are going to look at your answer, they need to be very enjoying your answer. Okay, you need to present your answer clearly. That is a presentation skill. Okay, so you can do presentation in front of the panel, no? So what is the way that you can present? From writing in the answer script. So those presentation has to be clear. So you need to write all the things very clearly. Okay, if you made a mistake, then correct it. Okay, right. Now now we will go into another part. Right, I will write something. Let's see whether you know that. Okay, now you have seen these things, huh? You have seen that 3/5, you have seen that 3/5, you saw that already. 3/5 very common, no? 3/5 just a fraction. But what about this 3/5/2? What is that? What is that? 3/5/2. There are things like that also, huh? There are fractions like that. So when you have a fraction like that, you should know the meaning of that, and you should know how to deal with that kind of a fraction. Okay, right. For that, this is the thing that you need to know. Right. A divided by B divided by C. Okay, So if you have this A divided by B divided by C, right? So the meaning is A divided by B over C. This is the thing now. A must be divided by B over C. Okay. That means you can change this division mark into multiplication mark, but you should write this fraction in its reciprocal. So reciprocal means this, interchanging numerator and denominator. Okay, so you can make this division mark into multiplication mark, but you have to make this fraction to its reciprocal. Okay, very easy. Yeah? Then you can think, you can imagine that this fraction is going like that. Okay, so that fraction, so if your fraction is this, see, okay, if your fraction is this, okay, if your fraction is this, can you see that? If your fraction is this, then you need to write it into reciprocal. Okay, see, I will show you again. If your fraction is this, okay, if your fraction is this, you need to write it in reciprocal, and you can multiply by up. So what is that? You can write it directly C over B. So what we have done? So when it is below, it's like that. Then when you need to write it multiplying by A, you can take the reciprocal. Okay, so you can take the reciprocal, right? So this is it. Okay, right. Then put a star and write this. Okay. So if you have been using a mobile device, still it is fine, but laptop is recommended for joining online classes, because the display area is much larger now. Then it will be good, it will be easy for you. But even from the mobile phone also, it's fine, but the screen size is relatively small, no, comparing to that. Then bit difficult. But if you are having a mobile phone only, then you need to use that. Okay, then you don't feel that difficulty because you are looking from that, no. Okay, right. Now what if this kind of a thing is there? A over B divided by C over D. Okay, what can you do if you have a thing like that? Then see what we will do. We will make it D over C. Very easy thing, huh? You can get this up, but you need to get the reciprocal. Word is reciprocal, huh? Okay, so you can multiply numerator by taking the reciprocal of denominator, D over C. Okay, See, a simple thing but important. Right. Now we will go to question number 18 in the tute. Question number 1. Okay, before going to that, first write this thing. First write this in your book. First write that in your book. Sorry, yeah. That fly is still inside now. Okay, now we will go to question number 18 in the tute, page number 4. Okay, so I will write that for you. This it. This question number 18. Question number 18. Number 1. See, 1 over x over y minus z. Okay. Right. Okay. How to do that? I will do one for you. How to do that? First you can get the common denominator here. How? See, equals to 1, you can keep it there, x minus yz, okay, over y. What you have done? You got the common denominator of this both, but that is entire denominator. 1 is the numerator up there. Okay. Now you can eliminate this division mark by putting this into up. So see that y over x minus yz. See, that is the answer. Okay, easy no? Not a difficult one, huh? Imagine that you will not get these simplifications for your exam, but inside the problem there can be a part like this. Then if you don't know this, then you cannot solve the problem. Okay, right? So you are getting the reciprocal there. Okay, then question number 2 I will write here. Those who have tutes, you can do the question number 2. This very funny thing, huh? Upside down, because you are getting the upside down, no? Or downside up, whatever. Right? Can you try this? Try that one. Write all the steps clearly, yeah? From the beginning, stick to the basics. Writing a step clearly will make you easy of solving the problem, because you are dealing with your brain, no? You are dealing with your brain and you are using your eyes. Okay, so if you write it unclearly, then your eyes will give the signal to your brain, then brain will process that signal as some answer. But during that process, it can be wrong. Okay. Same thing can be happen to the marking guy also. When you write your answer, make your answer readable to the marking guy. Okay. Otherwise, that people who are going to look at your answer scripts, they are in their 40s, 50s. Okay. Not young like you know. Then they will feel difficult of reading your things. Very untidy. Okay. So don't be like that. Write them clearly. Get more space and write it. Spread your answer. Then the answer will be clear. Even your handwriting is uh, very not beautiful. Okay. Then if your handwriting is ugly, the easiest way is to spread your answer, make spaces. Then even though it is ugly, but the answer is readable. Okay. Right. Question number 2, you can try. Okay, so shall we check? Question 2. This common denominator AB A plus B. Okay, then A squared minus B squared over AB. You took the common denominator of both numerator and denominator, right? When you take the common denominator of this, you multiply AB. When you multiply by A, you multiply by B. Then A squared minus B squared. Now you can cut this. Both common, no? You can cut that. Then once you cut that, this will drop down. Then the answer is, if you think that this will go as a reciprocal, still it is coming to the bottom. Okay. Then A plus B over A squared minus B squared. See, difference of two squares. So that means A plus B over A minus B, A plus B. So you will cancel the answer. Then this is 1 over A minus B. Okay. That is the correct answer. 1 over A minus B. Okay, can you try question number 3? Try question number 3 in the tute. I'll write question number 3. By next day, you need to keep the tute with you. Several times I told. Okay. Can you try that? Question 3. Question number 4 also you can do, but there is a mistake, typing mistake in that question. Okay, question 4 I will write that correct on. 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 over a. Okay, that is the correct one, no? Okay, do both. I made the mistake. No, I corrected the mistake. No, I corrected the mistake. Okay, let's see the correct answer. This one. Get the common denominator. 3y on top, 6x plus 5y bottom, okay, now you need to use that thing which I told you. Okay, so you can get this up. How? 6x plus 5y over 3y, multiply, you get the reciprocal. Make it upside down, 5y plus 6x. See, even from this step also you can cut that. You can cut it. Then this will go up. Okay, you don't need to write this step. But here I wrote it. But you can directly cut that. Then you get this up. Then 2x over 3y. Okay. Then this one, the last one. Still you can get the common denominator. A plus 1 over a. Now you can get it up. 1 minus a over a plus 1. Then a plus 1 minus a over a plus 1. A to a will cancel. Then the answer is 1 over a plus 1. 1 over a plus 1. Okay. Right. We will do another one in that question. Same question. We will do another one. Let's try. Right. Question 6. Let's try question 6. Okay, I will write it. Question 6 I will write there. X minus okay, try that. Okay. So I told you that first you need to deal with circular bracket. So some are thinking from where should I start like that. So starting point is circular bracket. So y you can keep it there, 1 plus, see, 1 over 2 plus y over 2. Okay, then so you don't need to write all the steps, huh? If you can get it from less steps, then you can get y over 1 plus, this will go up 2 over 2 plus y. Then now you need to deal with this square bracket. X minus y over 2 plus y plus 2 this will go up x minus y times 2 plus y, this will go up, no? Then okay, then don't worry, if you cannot see, don't worry. Then multiply this x into, I have to use the corner also. Later I will show you the answer. Okay. If you are unable to see the answer, don't worry, I will write it again. It is in the cone of the board. Okay, the final answer of that, okay, final answer I will write it here. It will be difficult to look at there. So the final answer is this: x times 4 plus y minus y times 2 plus y over 4 plus y. This is the final answer. Okay, that is the final answer. We will do another one also in that. Nice simplifications, no? Problems. Okay, this is the last one of that question series. Question 8 of the tute. Question 8 I am going to write. So those who has the tute, you can write it. You can do the question. Others I will write it here. 1 minus b over 1 plus b minus 1 minus a over 1 plus a divided by 1 plus 1 minus a 1 minus b 1 plus b 1 plus a. Okay, bit lengthier one. Okay, can you try that? Try. Question 8. Okay, I will give you time. Okay, shall we try that? Minus mark is there on top, minus a minus mark. Okay, now we will try that. Those who finish that? Okay, there are some students. Right. This. Okay. Equals to. Why we putting equal mark? Because our next expression we are going to write is equals to the previous expression. Okay. Look at your answers. Maybe around 80% of you has not write equal marks down, but you need to write equal marks. Okay. I saw a lot of students when I'm going through the class in physical classes, they have not used the equal marks. Then I will ask them to, okay, put equal, put equal, put equal. Likewise, I will ask. So check in your book whether you wrote equal marks. So each step that you are going next, you need to put equal mark. If it is not an equation, but if it is an equation, there is an equal mark, no. But if it is not an equation, if it is an expression, then you need to put equal marks when you are going down. Okay, right. So here 1 plus b 1 plus a so this will cancel out, okay, it will cancel out. Then what will be the expression? You can remove the brackets. Okay, so let's remove the brackets. 1 plus a minus b minus ab. So minus, I will put a bracket here. Then see 1 plus b minus a minus ab. Okay, then 1 plus a 1 plus a plus b plus ab. Okay, here 1 minus b minus a plus ab. Then see, minus into minus will make it plus, so this into this will cancel out. Then plus 1 minus 1, that will also cancel out. Then see, on top 2a minus 2b. In the bottom a. So what is it? 2 plus 2ab. So everywhere 2, no, so you can cancel out 2. Then the answer will be a minus b over 1 plus ab. That is the answer. Okay. That is the answer. Can I see those who got that answer correct? Who got that? Yes. If you got it correctly, a minus b over 1 plus ab. Okay, write it. If you not got it, just write it. Okay. Some has done up to 90% correct. Only small mistakes. Okay, you need to write the correct answer there. Okay, right. Then write a small heading there. Finding a value of an expression. Finding a value of an expression. Finding a value of an expression. Okay. Look at the question number 21 in the tube. Question number 21. Okay. Right. Find the value of, see, look at the question. Find the value of 3a squared b over 2c when a equals to 2, b equals to minus 1, c equals to 3. Okay, you need to find the value of that given expression. Okay, right. So what we will do here, we will put a name. When you were born into this world, you don't have a name now. Okay, but your parents will put you a name. Okay, either Ajit or Vijit or Pujit or whatever name they will put you, no? Okay, Sajit or whatever name. Then it's like same. So here we will put a letter, but we cannot tell here Sajit. Okay, Sajit equals to 3a squared b over 2c. We cannot write like that. Instead we will put a letter y. Okay, we will put y equals to this. Why we are making the name as y? Because it is easy for us when writing that. That is the reason. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to put these things into these given letters. That's it. Very simple case. Okay, so what we will do, y equals to 3 times a squared means 2 to the power 2. B means minus 1. C means 3. Okay, so the answer is 3 into 4 into minus 1. So you can simply cut also. You can simply cut that. 3 times 2, 2 times 2. So your answer is minus 1. You can cut it. So what I have done, I have substituted the given values for these letters. Okay, there are terms now A, B, C. So I substituted the given values. Okay, so A squared means 2 square, B means minus 1, C means 3. So you can cut them and you can simplify and get the final answer. Okay, right. Okay, we will see. Some are asking, yes, I made a mistake there. So the answer is minus 2. Okay, very good. You are very vigilant. You have very good dice. Okay, so answer has to be minus 2. Okay, not minus 1. I mistakenly wrote it as minus 1. The correct answer is minus 2. Okay, right. Can you do question number 2 of the tute? Question number 2. Do question number 2 in the tute. Okay. Question number 2. This is it. Question number 2. Find the value of m squared over 9 plus m n squared over 3 plus n squared over 4 when m equals to minus 1, n equals to 2. Okay, right. Can you try that? That is question number 2. Try to get the answer. Okay, you must not get a entire lifetime to do that problem. Very easy one. Okay, so what we will put, we will put y, y equals to m squared over 9 plus m n squared over 3 plus n squared over 4. Even in the newspapers also our survey is there. Okay, so I will share the news there. There was a news clip in YouTube. I will share it in that Telegram group. So those who has not joined yet to the Telegram group, just send there a Telegram group. Okay, try to find the method. Right. So here what we will do, we will substitute that. Okay, minus 1 for m, then minus 1 squared over 9 plus minus 1 2 squared over 3 plus 2 squared over 4. Okay, then here 1 over 9 minus 4 over 3, this will cancel, no, plus 1. Then we will get the common denominator as 9, then 1 minus 12 plus 9. So 10 minus 2, that means minus 2 over 9. So final answer is minus 2 over 9. Those who got minus 2 over 9? Alright. Okay. Okay, great. So shall we try question 3 also? Try question 3 also. Okay, question 3. Find the value of 9a squared over 16x squared plus 4x squared over 9a squared minus 1. Okay, try that. Okay, right. So we will name this y. Okay, okay. The answer values you have to get a equals to 2 and a equals to 2 and x equals to 3. Yeah. A equals to 2 and x equals to 3. Get it, get it. Get it done. Okay, so this one, y equals to 9 times 2 squared over 16 times 3 squared plus 4 times 3 squared over 9 times 2 squared minus 1. So here 9 into 4, so you can cut no easily. 9 you can cut no. 4 times also you can cut 4. You can straightly write the answer. So answer is what? 1 over 4. So here, see, you can cut that. Again you can cut. Again 1, no? 1 minus 1. 1 into minus 1 also cancel out. The final answer will be 1 over 4. So your answer has to be 1 over 4. Have you got that? Those who got 1 over 4 as your answer? Right, right. Okay, okay. Okay, great. Right. So these questions you can do as your homework. Okay, I will mark the questions. Okay, 21. These are homework. Question 21. All the questions except the questions we have done. So you can write all the questions. You can do all the questions. Missed questions, we have not done all the questions now. So missed questions you can do. So 22 also you can do. Then you can try this question 27. You can try, yeah. 27. Then 16, the remaining. Question 16 remaining. Remaining questions in question 16. And question 17 also. 18 also you can do. Remaining questions. Okay. Okay, those are the questions you can do during a homework, during a home time. Okay, now next week, before next week, that means before upcoming Saturday, we will be having another class. Okay, because too many holidays there no previously, so we will be having another class on Wednesday. Okay, I will send you all the details. So we will be having another class on Wednesday same time 7:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, so be patient. If you if I'm unable to start the class during the specified time, there will be any problem. Okay, but be patient. I will do the class. Okay, so so next Wednesday there will be a class. Okay, then next Saturday as usual we will be having the class. So hopefully next Saturday we will be starting a new section. Okay, new month is also coming, so we will be starting a new section. So we are going to complete this entire simplifications part. We are going to complete during next Wednesday. Then after that, next Saturday we will be starting the combined math syllabus. Okay, very nice, very beautiful, very enthusiastic and very joyful. Okay, so it's like going through a journey in a place where you like. Okay, if I tell you a forest, I don't know whether you like to go in the forest. No. Okay, so if you like to go in garden, then it's like going in the garden. If you like to go inside the candy bar, okay, then, or if you like to go inside the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, then it's like that, wherever the place you like to go. Okay, so next Saturday we will be starting that syllabus, combined math syllabus. Very easy, very nice, very tasty. And so before coming to next Saturday, so it's better to get the tute. Okay, get the tute means not this one, simplifications one now already finished, already not 100%, like now 85% completed. So polynomials part next day we are going to start that. So make sure you keep the tute with you. Okay, so to receive the tute you need to do your class payment. So it's better that you do your class payment soon and send us the address. So we will be couriering you to the your given address. Okay, so it's best that if you make your payments early, if it is today or tomorrow, it's fine, then you will be receiving your tute within 2 or 3 days. Then when we are starting the next class in Saturday, so you have the tute. Okay, so that is a very important point that I told you. So next Wednesday we will be finishing this section, but next Saturday we will be starting new section. So next Wednesday we will meet the same time. And tomorrow also I have that. Tomorrow is the last day of this Dalada exhibition. So tomorrow morning also I have the duty. So if any of you are uh, if any of your relatives are in the queue, then I cannot help. But after going inside to the exhibition, then just ask them to give me a call. Then I will come and meet when they are finishing their watching. Okay, so I cannot guarantee, maybe tomorrow I'll be more busy because tomorrow is the last day. So there will be around how many, 9,000, there will be around 9,000 police officers currently inside this Kandy Dalda Maligaon area. Okay, and more than 3,000 forces, that Navy, Air Force and Army officers also there, and around 400,000, I don't know, already now during this time around 500,000 people watched the exhibition, Dalda exhibition. So maybe tomorrow around 100,000 or 150,000 people are there. I don't know the exact figure, maybe less than 100,000. Okay, are there. So tomorrow is the last day. So next Wednesday we will be meeting, and next Saturday we will be starting the new section. Okay, do your problems. If you have any problem, just drop a message to this number. I will write it again, and solve that, get a solution to your problem and make your life easy. So let's meet next Wednesday. Okay, see you then.